In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to use Google Translate, step by step. So stick with me to the end because every part matters, and you won't want to miss anything. If this helps you out, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more. Google Translate is one of those tools that works in both directions. You can translate from a language you already speak into one you don't, or take something written in a language you don't understand and turn it into one you do. Either way, it's incredibly simple once you know where everything is. So let's get into it. To start, open any web browser you like. Click into the address bar at the top and type translate.google.com. Press enter and that takes you straight to Google Translate. Here we are. When the page loads, the text option at the top is already selected by default. So we'll begin there, and then I'll walk you through every other option too. On the left side, you'll see a language box, and I'd recommend leaving it set to detect language. This is handy because Google will automatically figure out what language you're typing or pasting in. So let's say I have some text in a language I don't recognize. I'll highlight it, right-click, and choose Copy. Then I'll click into the box on the left, right-click, and paste it in. Over on the right side, you choose the language you want the translation in. English is usually there by default, along with a couple of quick options like Spanish or Arabic. But if you want something different, just click the drop-down arrow and pick from the full list. For example, I could select Danish, and instantly it translates everything across. You get the idea. You can also do this the other way around. I'll type something straight into the left box, like, "Hello, how are you?" And then on the right, I'll pick the language I want it turned into. I'll choose Spanish, and there it is, translated right away. If I want a different language instead, I just hit that arrow again and select another one. Once your text is translated, you've got a few extra tools underneath. You can press the listen button to hear it read aloud, copy the result in the bottom corner, run a Google search on it, rate the translation, or share it directly. So those are the basics of working with text. But Google Translate does a lot more than text, and this is where it gets really useful. Up in the top left, click on Images. From here you can drag and drop a picture in, or press Browse your files to pick one manually, which is what I'll do. I'll find a photo that has some text inside it, select it, and press Open. It uploads, and within a moment, it's translated everything in the image for you. If you want to compare, just press Show Original, and it'll switch between the before and the after. And just like with text, you can change the output language at the top, either from the quick options or by clicking the arrow for the full list. When you're happy, you can copy the translated text or download it from the top right. I'll clear that out for now. Next up is Documents. Click Documents at the top, then press Browse and find the file you want. I'll grab a PDF and press Open. Once it loads, hit the Translate button and it gets to work. After it finishes, you can either open it right there or download it. I'll open it so you can see, and there it is, fully translated. If I press Show Original, you'll see exactly what it looked like before. Same simple process every time. And here's a really powerful one a lot of people miss. You can translate entire websites. Click on Websites, paste the full web address into the box, press the arrow on the right, and Google gives you a translated version of that whole page. The best part is you can still browse it normally, clicking through links and pages as if it were in your own language. This is perfect if you're traveling somewhere like Spain. The site you need is in Spanish, and you have to use it while you're there. Drop the link in, and you've got it in a language you understand. And that's everything. That's how you use Google Translate from start to finish. It's a brilliant tool to keep handy whenever you need to understand something or get it into the language you want. If you found this helpful and you'd like to see more guides just like it, go ahead and subscribe and give the video a like. I publish new tutorials every single day, so I'll be back to help you out again very soon. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.